Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
What has been the biggest takeaway for you from this entire conversation?
Well, I was here for a short while, but I think for me the key thing is TV will grow, which is where I came from. And a lot of people are saying with digital coming in, it'll eat into digital. That's not right. Indian consumption of content is still low compared to the global world, and so that growth will happen. The second point is that there will be value also. So it's under leveraged is now the Indian advertising market, including television, digital, everything is under leveraged. And for a variety of reasons, this will change. Now, it takes 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, I don't know.
Okay.
But there will be a quantum leap in this.
Okay.
So just now, if ADEX is 0.4, 0.5% of GDP, it will go up to at least 0.7, 0.8. So there will be. So the thing is, the top line is to look happy because there will be growth, and there will be rapid growth. Okay.
This is what biggest change you find in this era as compared to other few years back of television?
Of television?
Yeah.
Well, I think the big thing is OTT coming in. So people, and the interesting thing is TV plus players are looking at OTT themselves. So there are companies, most of them are getting into a surround space. And I think they are looking at regionalization also. So previously regionalization was not so big, everyone should look at just markets. There's a fair degree of regionalization happening. Okay.
So finally, what would you like to tell IWM Buzz for having hosted this summit?
I think it's very good. I was just telling Ashish, I said this is a great thing, I mean, most people talk digital, which is not bad, but digital is a young medium, is a medium of the future. But there's a lot of juice left in television, and there are a lot of aspects of television which and video which are important.
Okay.
So I think looking at digital by itself is not the thing. It has to be TV plus video, as you guys have planned it. So it's a great initiative.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.